Listen, if you stay with me, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English with confidence. We will speak together, not maybe, not one day, today. And I already respect you because you are here. You want to improve. Many people say, I want to speak English. You are actually learning. That matters. By the end of this video, you will say your introduction clearly. No stress, no long grammar. Just real English you can use today. Hello my friend, welcome. Imagine this. You walk into a room. Maybe a new class, new job, new people. Someone looks at you and say, "Hi, tell me about yourself." Before, maybe you feel nervous. Your heart beats fast. Your mind is empty. You think, what do I say? Now imagine something different. You brave. You smile and you speak. Easy, calm and natural. That feature starts here. We keep it simple. 3 parts. Greeting, your name, nice to meet you. That is it. We will not study hard grammar. Simple English is strong. First, greeting. You need one word to open the door. The safest word in English, hello. Hello works everywhere. School, work, street, online meeting. It always works. Say it slowly. Hello. Not fast, not shy, just clear. Hello. If it is morning, you can say good morning. After 12, you say good afternoon. At night, you say good evening. Here there is one small detail. You do not say good night when you arrive. Good night is for sleep. English has small rules, but you can learn them step by step. Let us go to the second part. Your name. There are 2 easy ways. I am, or my name is. Both are perfect. For example, I am Erkan, or my name is Erkan. Same meaning. Choose the one you like. Keep it simple. Now listen carefully. This is important. Speak slowly. Many learners think fast is good, but fast is not good. Clear is good. When you speak slowly, people understand you. When people understand you, you feel confident. Confidence changes everything. Now the third part. Nice to meet you. This is friendly. This shows respect. It makes the other person feel good. And when they feel good, the conversation is easy. So, we connect everything. Hello. What is your name? My name is Erkan. Or, I am Erkan. Nice to meet you. And nice to meet you too. This is my introduction. You can do this. Say it in your head now Or better, say it loudly. Repeat after me, please. I am your new friend. Let's meet. Do not just listen. Speak with me. Now, I speak first and you speak after me. I am yellow. You are blue. Are you ready? Hello. What is your name? My name is Erkan. Nice to meet you. Good job. You are speaking English, not thinking about English. Speaking English. That is good. Now, let me show you something powerful. Close your eyes for a moment. See yourself 3 months from now. You are in a place, maybe a new country, maybe a new office, maybe a new school. Someone says hello. You answer with no fear. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Erkan. Or I am Erkan. Where are you from? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Your voice is calm. Your face is relaxed. You feel proud. That moment feels small, but it is not small. It means you are growing. English is not about perfect grammar. It is about connection. Human to human. You do not need big words to connect. You need simple sentences, and you already have the sentences. Now imagine first day at work. Your manager says, "Good morning." You answer, "Good morning. My name is." Nice to meet you. Polite, clear. Or first day at school. Teacher says, "Tell me about yourself." You stand up and say, "Hello, my name is." Nice to meet you. You sit down. That is real power. Small sentences, big change. And listen, do not wait to be perfect. If you wait to be perfect, you wait too long. Practice is important. Say your introduction every day. In the mirror. Speak with me every day. Just a few minutes. That is enough. You need practice. Your brain learns by doing. If you only watch, nothing changes. If you speak, everything changes. Speak with me. I speak first. You speak after me. I am yellow. You are blue. Hello. What is your name? My name is Erkan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You should say nice to meet you too. Good job. It feels small, but small steps building big results. Think about babies. They do not speak perfect language. They repeat small sounds again and again. Then one day they speak. You are doing the same. Not shame. Stay with this process. In this channel, We keep things simple. Real English, useful English. Step by step. You do not need stress. Just you need practice. You are smart enough. You are brave enough. And you are already improving. Before this video, maybe you felt bad. Now you have structure. Say greeting, say your name, and ask their name. Finally say, nice to meet you. Clear system. So, today you did something important. You did not just watch me. You learned a real skill. And this is only beginners. Next, we can add where are you from, then your job, then your hobbies, piece by piece. Like building a house. Strong base first, walls later. Right now, your base is strong. Be proud of that. And remember these feelings. The feeling of progress, hold it. So, keep going. Keep speaking. Keep showing up. And next time someone says, tell me about yourself, you will smile. Because you know exactly what to say. If this lesson helped you, write in the comments. How can I help you to improve? Your ideas will shape the next lesson. If this video was useful for you, click like. It helps this channel grow. If you want more simple English lessons, subscribe. This is part 1 of our 5-part introduction series. Do not miss part 2. In the next lesson, you will learn how to say where are you from. You will say your country. You will say your city. Step by step. Simple and clear. Next lesson is ready for you. Do not stop now. No. Go to the next video and keep speaking. See you in the next lesson.